Welcome, family. It's time for me to be fixing supper for my family. So I'm going to throw together something just going to be quick and easy and simple, and anybody can do it. I've got 2 packs of Knorr Spanish rice. I'm putting in a 9 by 13 casserole dish, and no, I'm not going to spray it or grease it with anything. It's clumped up in there, but it'll be okay because then in a minute I'm going to just stir it all up, okay? Now, using 4 cups, which is 32 ounces, and I've got low sodium, reduced sodium chicken broth. I'm just going to pour all in here. Okay. I forgot to start my oven, but you preheat it to 375. Okay. Got that all in there. And all them lumps of the seasonings dissolving. So that's good. Sorry I had to keep reaching off of here, but now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. I've got canola oil. You could use avocado oil. This is just what I'm going to use for now. How y'all been doing today, okay? It's been a nice day here. No rain today, some sunshine. So that makes for a good day. Trying to get this made before my sweet Eric gets home from work so it'll be all ready. Okay, we put 2 bags of Knorr Spanish rice mix in our 9 by 13. 2 tablespoons of oil. 4 cups of chicken broth. Now I'm going to put a can of drained black beans. It can be any kind you like. Any kind. Now it's called for some 16-ounce jar of salsa, but I'm going to improvise because I don't have salsa. So I've got 2 cans of red gold diced tomatoes and green chilies. And these are actually 10-ounce cans, but I don't think it's going to hurt to have the little bit of extra in here. Okay. Stir that all up in there. Starting to all look good, y'all. Tell you, when you got 5 adults to feed in a household, I gotta come up with some big dishes of food. And is this the healthiest? Probably not. But I'm going to use chicken in it. Probably the most unhealthy thing is the rice. But I have to use items that will stretch for my family, that I can stretch the food. And y'all know what I'm talking about too. And with the price of groceries now, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Now, I went ahead and trimmed and cut up 3 chicken breasts. And I took a pack of, I used the Taco Bell seasoning mix. It's reduced sodium in it, and I sprinkled it all over the chicken, and I worked that chicken all in there. I'm just going to drop that in here now. You do not pre-cook the chicken. It's going to cook in your casserole dish, and it's going to be good. I think I'm going to pull out some sour cream to have with this. I was thinking, well, I don't think I need much of a side with it, but maybe pull out some sour cream. We're going to use some shredded Mexican cheese here in a bit when it gets done. We're going to cover this with foil. Not going to have you sit there and watch me put all this in there, but we're going to cover this with foil, and we're going to break it. Yeah, we're going to break it. we're gonna bake it for 45 minutes. And then we're gonna take it out of the oven, take that foil off, and then put our cheese on, but I'll be back. Okay, got it out of the oven, stirred it around some, looking amazing. Now I've got some Mexican blend cheese. Just gonna make sure I cover the top of it in cheese because we love cheese, don't we, hon?
Oh yeah.
He got in a little early, so got about 15 more minutes on this to get all this all melted down in there good. But so he's finishing up my video for me. But I think it's gonna be worth the wait.
I think
so. Hun?
Yeah.
So I have to let you do your famous taste test here. You want more than that?
Over here are some bare spots.
Okay. What about in here?
You can never have too much cheese.
I do like to have these corners covered. Yeah. Eric loves cheese.
I do.
He does. That's almost like his candy for him.
Yeah.
But just a little smidgen more. Okay, now we're gonna put that in the oven for 15 minutes. Pull it out and let the taste testing commence.
Yes, let it.
Yes. Okay, got it out of the oven. It's looking so good. Getting ready to plate it up, y'all. Okay, my sweet Eric's getting ready to taste test. Don't burn your lips, hon. Always tell him that, not to burn his lips.
There's no guarantees. That's good.
Okay, it's
That's
Eric
good.
approved. Thank y'all for joining us. Hope you have a blessed day. Remember, it's gonna be okay. Love y'all.